The Office of the District Mission Coordinator, West Jaintia Hills, in collaboration with the State Project Office, Samagra Shiksha Semam and 93.5 Red FM, held a roadshow on Jan Bhagidari at H.K. Singh Memorial Secondary School on Thursday. The roadshow was organized to spread and create awareness on foundation literacy and numeracy, G20 and Nipun Bharat under the theme Ensuring Foundation Literacy and Numeracy, especially in the context of blended learning. The function began with the recitation of the Nipun Bharat pledge, which was read by the H.K. Singh students in the presence of District Mission Coordinator Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan, the State Pedagogy Coordinator SSA Srimati M.W. Lingra in her address spoke about the importance and objectives of Jan Bhagidari.